solar fence lights, and they change color. Never thought I'd be doing a review or demonstration on solar garden lights. These were provided to me by Amiluo. I guess that's the way you pronounce it. They must have seen that I had been browsing around and looking at some lights for something we're going to be doing at our campsite up the campground, and offered to give me a little 4-pack of these in exchange for demonstrating them, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and as I mentioned, I never thought I'd be doing a demonstration review of solar lights, but these are actually pretty cool. It's a 4-pack and you get 4 lights, and it comes with some little anchors and screws, which I won't use. I'll use my own. Not a fan of the screws that come from China. They tend to strip off pretty easy. So about these, they're solar. Of course, you want the top to be facing the sun, preferably west, south, or southwest, so get the most sun that way. So what do these do? Well, I got 3 LED panels on the bottom. Try to give you a little bit closer look here. So you turn the switch on, and if it gets dark, and I'm going to use my hand to make it dark, there's different colors. And you can scroll through the different color choices by pushing this little button right here. And at one point it changes color. There's different modes. This just flips between the different colors. There's another mode here where it fades in between the colors over time. Or you could set it to solid white, and that'd be fine in the winter time, but in the summertime I could see that attracting bugs. And then you have different shades, red of course, and what we have found is generally the blue light attracts the least number of bugs up there by the river. And then when the sun comes up, this goes out and it recharges the panel. So of course it's mid-March, so I can't really go up there to the camp right now. That doesn't open for another month. But to get a little bit better idea of how well these work, I'm going to mount them on our deck rail just to see how well they illuminate down. And of course I'll have to wait till dark to do video of that, but we'll see what that looks like. So I'm going to go out and get these mounted, and then we'll try to shoot a little video after dark. Okay, so right here is where they're going to live for the next month, and I'll come out here tonight and we'll see what the colors are like. I've got them set to fade from color to color, and this is facing southwest right here, so it should get plenty of sun. It is late in the afternoon, so I don't expect these to get a full charge. This is where they're going to live for the next month. So we'll come back tonight. Okay, so it's the next day, and last night I took a little action camera out and shot a little bit of video of these lights and was very happy with the way they looked, so I had the wife come out and take a look. Well, these aren't going to be a temporary location anymore. They are now a permanent location, and she also wants me to continue around the rest of the deck rail here at the house and then do the same thing up at camp. So I got online this morning and ordered several more sets of these. And you can order yourself a set. There'll be a link in the description. And as a disclosure, I'm what they call an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase from that link, I do get a small commission. It does not increase your cost, but it helps to pay for the different things around the shop here, and cameras and videos and all that kind of stuff. So as I said, these lights were provided to me to test and demonstrate. I had not anticipated that the wife was going to want them all over the place, so I had to purchase a bunch myself. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Otherwise, I'm Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.